It is Saturday, the first day of February. I'm Jam of JeromeMancheta.com, and this is the first episode of Jam Online TV. So this week, punong-puno tayo ng Intel news dahil ang dalawang local brands natin ng Cloudphone at Star Mobile ay nag-announce sa sarili nilang tablet na merong Intel Atom processor inside. So doon muna tayo sa Star Mobile. So the Star Mobile Engage 9i has an 8.9-inch display with 1920 by 1200 na resolution. It has a 2 GHz dual-core Intel Atom Z2 580 processor. It's a Clover Trail Plus processor. It has a 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage with microSD na up to 32 GB. Ang isa pa dito na maganda ay yung kanyang 6,500 mAh na battery na merong 18 days na standby. So, itong Star Mobile Engage 9i ay nagkakalaga na 9,990 pesos. So, doon naman tayo sa CloudPad 800W. The CloudPad 800W has a 7.85 XGA display. That's 1024 by 7068. It has the same processor, which is 2 GHz dual-core Intel Atom Z2 580. There's a gig of RAM, 32 GB internal storage with microSD up to 32 GB. There's a 5 megapixel rear camera sa both na tablets, and then meron din sa 2 megapixel front camera dun din sa dalawang tablet. Pero CloudPad mas mura ng 1,000 pesos. Nagkakahalaga ito ng 8,999 pesos. So basically, ang lamang ng Star Mobile Engage 9i is the 8.9-inch display. So compared sa CloudPad na measure 7.85, which is the same size ng iPad mini, dito naman sa Star Mobile Engage 9i, mas malaki na yung display, mas malaki pa yung resolution. Another thing, 2 GB ang RAM ng Star Mobile Engage 9i and masyadong malaki yung battery niya, which is 6,500 mAh. Ang lamang ng CloudPad is yung kanyang internal storage, which is 32 GB. So basically same lang silang Android 4.2. Pero yeah, we can't say na mas mabilis tong isa, mas mabilis tong ganito. Kasi hindi pa natin nahawakan yung mismong unit. Kasi minsan, kahit Intel Atom yan parehas, minsan mas maganda pa yung isa kasi hindi masyadong optimized ang Android OS. So, dito tayo sa last news for this week. So, Lenovo bought Motorola Mobility from Google for $2.91 billion. So, that's really big. $2.91 billion isn't a joke kasi isipin nyo, Google bought Motorola a few years ago, I think for $12 billion. Pero this one, $2.91 billion. Kung nagulat kayo doon, well, kasi ganito yung dahilan dyan. Some of the patents and projects ng Motorola are still with Google. So basically, ang binenta ng Google is yung some of the patents and name ng Motorola. So basically, I think Lenovo wants to enter the US market since mahina ang penetration nila sa US market. So, yeah. I think that's it for this week sa Jam Online TV. Don't forget to like this video. Makikita niyo po yun sa baba. And subscribe to my channel para sa mga susunod pa na Jam Online TV. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Jam Mancheta. At ang Facebook page ko, ang facebook.com/jamonline.vlog. Once again, I'm Jam of JeromeMancheta.com. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Tapos na din yung school. Ayoko na.